Agricultural contractors play a starring role in our documentary film productions about farming time and again. Whether it's in North or South America, Russia, Australia or Europe, we've been around the world to film some fascinating agricultural contractors and their fleets for our DVDs. Here on YouTube, we bring you regular snippets of our work through our contractor short film series. For this latest series on our YouTube channel, we joined Görries Agricultural Contractors, one of the first contractor teams we visited with our cameras over 15 years ago when we joined them out on the field for the first time. Part 1 begins in spring. In mid-February, we joined the Görries team for a few hours as they spread slurry. After a quick meeting in the office, we go out to the machines at around 7 in the morning. The agricultural contractors base is located north of Hanover in northern Germany. The contracting business was established in the 60s. These days the business is run by the second generation. The premises incorporate office space, a workshop and 4,000 cubic meters of shed space. Among the fleet are 23 tractors and 4 forage harvesters, plus numerous other vehicles as part of their construction and container business. For today's task, 3 tankers are deployed for carting, in addition to the 4-axle Meyer-Lohner slurry tanker. The customer's slurry stores are around 8 kilometers away from the fields. The tankers are pulled today by Fendt 500 Vario tractors, which are well suited to this type of work, for one thing due to their lightweight design. First, the mobile docking station has to be set up at the slurry store. This is carried on the front linkage. During docking and undocking, the gate opens automatically. This saves a lot of time and hassle. Meanwhile, to complete the spreading setup with the tandem tanker, tanker trailers are put into action. Today's customer is one of the largest dairy farms in the region. Görries have taken on large parts of their fieldwork for years. Görries works for customers within a radius of around 60 miles. The field sizes vary between 3 and 20 hectares. The team have got relatively small parcels to work with today. The 30 cubic meter Meyer-Lohner slurry tanker is full in less than 4 minutes. Görries bought the tanker, their only one to date, back in 2012. The dribble bar has a maximum working width of 30 meters and is made by Vogelsang. But only a few customers will want the full working width. It is mostly set at 27 meters, as in this case. The temperature the night before was around 0 degrees. The weather report gives temperatures in the single figures for the coming days with no significant rainfall, which means nothing stands in the way of slurry spreading. Even in spring, the right time to spread slurry is always a fine balance between customer preferences, soil conditions, weather forecasts and fertilizer ordnance provisions. It is up to Görries to make a professional decision. Within the contracting business, there are a total of 3 New Holland T7 315 tractors. The tractors, which were manufactured in England, have a continuous transmission and a maximum engine power of 315 horsepower. The tractors are also equipped with an RTK guidance system, which is being used on this job. Driver Björn Volberg has worked for Görries for 19 years. During this time, he's driven by our cameras dozens of times. Bjorn normally works with the big 4-axle from Meyer-Lohner. All of the axles on this tanker are steerable, which facilitates soil protection when driven in crab steer mode. So a tyre pressure regulation system is not necessary. The front axle can be lifted when driving on the road. If you enjoyed this short film, then why not take a look at our website at www.farmworld.tv. This is where we bring you all of our independent, international documentaries about farming and farm machinery. The films can be streamed in HD, or in some cases even 4K, and are translated into 5 languages, including English. Enjoy!